can hear those birds chirping away. I'm at Beeston Marina today in Nottinghamshire, and well, I'm off to meet a guy, a chap, a bloke that's been working here for more than 18 years. Before I get to my interviewee, let's get the drone up and have a look at this place from my eye in the sky. I'm at the Boathouse Café to meet a guy called Tony.
Just 2 cans. Thank you, Lydia. That's a problem.
Yeah, milkshake.
Yes. Who wants to leave their house just to concentrate on the milkshake?
So how long have you been here then, Tony?
18 years, Richard.
18 years?
Me and my wife and my daughter, Sarah, have been here for 18 years.
Did you set it up then?
No, I was already here before, but we just made it better.
Yeah, took it over.
Yeah.
And catering your background then? Or?
No, my wife's Kate. My wife's the chef.
Right, okay.
I'm your more hospitality person.
You're more of a people person, aren't you?
Indeed, that's why it works.
There's plenty of reading material here. What have we got here? 50 Shades of Grey, if you can get through all 514 pages while you're waiting for your breakfast. Tell you what, I'm enjoying this. Small breakfast. That'll do me till dinner time.
Or a bit of grey, but it's always the same material. That company's just making the same money over the same money. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's £2 and lovely, please. Morning. I can help, please.
Take a lot of feeding, don't they, Tony? A bit like the customers.
They do. We feed everybody here. We love doing it.
Charging him, Tony, isn't it?
Nah, free publicity, mate.
Oh, is it?
You like your plants then?
I love my plants, Richard. The weeds when we first came here, but now we've got flowers. Well, things are progressing.
They look well cultivated to me.
Yeah.
Have you always been green fingered?
Not really. I sort of discovered it in COVID.
Okay.
I used to come out 4 hours every day, and I've stuck with that same principle ever since.
Yeah.
I come out every day, 3-4 hours, rain, snow, sleet, whatever the weather. I have to do 3 to 4 hours every day for my mental well-being.
Well, it gives you fresh air, doesn't it?
It does, it does.
Which has got to be good.
Before us, yes.
Yeah.
Off to one side.
Could do with a bit of rain, couldn't we?
Yes, we could do with a bit more rain because the plants need it more than the hose pipe. We definitely need it because they've been lacking for weeks and weeks, the proper watering. Like a chrysanthemum, this red.
Right, so you got some poppies there, haven't you?
Yeah, they came out. Eh?
That's just weeds, but
Yeah, I love poppies.
yeah, I got some yellow ones in my garden.
Oh yeah.
California.
California, yeah. I did have some here. They may come back out, but I did have some here for a while.
It's nice down here, isn't it?
It's
down
beautiful.
by the Trent.
Yeah, down by the Beeston Marina. It's the best place ever. Come down and see us, see what you're missing out on. It's good for your soul.
What an interesting chap Tony is, and is too the Boathouse Café here at the Beeston Marina. It's open every day, 9 till 3. Give it a look.